Hi guys, Keith with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith, back again with a video on something that all seniors need to be aware of. We're all told that we're supposed to hydrate more, right? And a lot of times people just drink water, or they'll drink soda pop or Gatorade, things with a lot of sugar in them. Over the years, with being involved with bike racing and a lot of gym workouts, I've come to realize there was only two that I really liked. One was called LMNT, and the other one is called NUUN, NUUN. These two both have a lot of electrolytes. They have different reasons for each one. As you can see with this one, 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 600 milligrams of magnesium. And they come in different flavors, which is kind of nice. This is the citrus and raspberry and watermelon. I think they've got other flavors as well. The NUUN comes in 6 flavors in a pouch. This one's got 6 different tubes in it, like this one. And then it's got fruit punch, tropical, strawberry lemonade, grape, tri-berry, and lemon lime. The tri-berry is my favorite. This one doesn't have near as amount of electrolytes in it as the LMNT does. It has 4 grams of carbohydrates, 13 grams of calcium, 150 grams of potassium, 25 milligrams of magnesium. So it's not nearly as much when you compare it to the LMNT package. But they're both good. This is one that I use at night. I put this in the water bottle next to my nightstand. I don't really want to be overflowing with a lot of electrolytes during the night, but I get thirsty and I want to have something that's flavored. I really got tired of just plain old water, and so that's why I started taking these at night. And during the day, on a day that I'm not going to work out, I'll take the NUUN. On a day I'm working out, I take the LMNT, which is really, they're both good products. I enjoy them both. I think that they really do a good job, and they're well known. They've been around for a long time. I kind of liked something that was fun that came with the box that the LMNT came in. It's got what are electrolytes and what do they do for you, how to stay hydrated, how much salt do you lose during exercise, all written on the inside of their box, which is kind of cool. So I'll probably keep this. And it's a good way to store it. I generally tear the lids off of the boxes so that I can just reach in and grab them easily, and put one in my back pocket when I'm headed out on a bike ride, so I'll have an extra one with me, and then put one in my water bottle. So I think this is a good idea for seniors. I think it's something that you need to check out. You can get them off Amazon. That's where I order mine. They generally come overnight, and that way I have pretty quick access to them. Sometimes I look at the box and I'm out and I didn't realize it. Anyway, this is Keith with hydration stuff for you, all you seniors. Get out there and enjoy your bike because it's going to snow in Colorado. Finally. Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. See you next time.